Morning, everybody. We're going to see if this idea will work. Had one of the subscribers send me an email of something kind of similar. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, that's stiff. What I want to do is get this so it'll click right in. Yeah, that's going to be fun. Turn it around the other way. That way. Get you over here where you can see. Get this mounted like that somehow to where when the door shuts, it comes in, clicks. And then I've got this. I don't know how well that'll work, but all right. I guess I need to figure out where this is in relation to where this is going to go. Okay. I like that. Do it just like that and raise it up to about right there. Let's see. That'll work perfect. I like that. That'll be clean, simple. I like that. Okay. A lot simpler than that side, let me tell you. I got these on Amazon. I got $21 in both of them. I think it'll work out just fine. And then when I put my handle in here, I can hook right here. It'll release down there and up here at the same time. I like it. All right. I guess I gotta get working. Got a migraine this morning, but I'll keep going. I'll keep going. All right. I didn't like how this was ground down. It didn't look right when it was closed, so I'm going to go ahead and build this up out to here. this. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tack that in a way that I can pop it off if I need to. I'm hoping I don't need to. Okay. Beautiful. Couldn't ask for better. Okay, so now I need to mark where that is. Then I'll double check, make sure it's in line. Okay. All right, go get my drill. I'm going to drill 4 holes. I'll bring you in. Right there is where I need to be. I'm going to drill a hole in each corner and then trim that out. I will probably take that lip off of that and make it so I can adjust this back and forth. Put a plate up top with screws, that way it's adjustable. Yeah. All right, I'll get the drill. Thing about custom car building, guys, don't ever think you have to get it right the first time. Can you see it? All right, let's see how it latches. Look at that. All right, once that rubber goes in there, Looks like I got to build the inside of this upper door frame out a little bit. But other than that, I like that. Once I build that upper frame and can get some rubber put up in there, I think it'll be fine as frog hair. I like it. I'm gonna pull that down. Awesome. Look at that. That's a good idea, Darren Walker. I like it. I like it a lot better than that side. It's a lot cleaner. Okay, now. See, I got where the two different types of door frames. There you go. Where the two different types of door frames where it don't line up quite right. The other side looks good. I still need to do this section. That's now what my plans are, I'm gonna leave this open right here. That way I've got access. And right here, I'm gonna leave open. But I'm gonna build this up to about right here and here across when I do the interior panels. I plan on covering this all the way down front to back. Whole cover. Probably stop it right in here. I don't want to interfere with this, and that would be stupid just to cover that little section, so I'll probably come over and up. That'll look good, and then I'll do the same thing on this. Once I get this finished out here, I'll come over and up, and it'll tie the center together to make it look right. I want to go top to bottom, front to back. Let's see. This door, I still need to do some work on that. I need to get the fabrication done on this, because the best part is going to be when I can tear this thing apart. I can set one piece up on the table and rip and tear, get it all ready, under primer, ready to go. I gotta pull that back down. It got bent. It happens. Okay, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here. I need some sort of a cage nut that I can move back and forth in there. What to do. Okay. I do have an idea. All right. Let me, I'm gonna cut that off there. Get my holes marked. Get my holes marked like that so I can have adjustment back and forth. And I'm gonna take a piece of plate. I've got a couple pieces of 1/4 inch plate. I'll drill a hole for both sides and put it up above here with a holder so it can't move side to side or fall out. I'll run screws up in there. I can pull it forward and back and tighten it down. Yep. And that sounds like a good idea. Well, let's just see if my drill bit's big enough. I don't know if it is. I would normally use my cordless drill, but I've only got one tap and I'm not sure if I got the right drill bit. So I'm going to take it nice and easy and do it by hand. Can't tell if it's going or not. Don't feel like it. Yippee. All right. Great. Well, I think I'm gonna wobble those holes out a little bit, make it a little easier. I'm just gonna try one first. I'm using axle grease. All right, where'd you go? There you are. That feels like it gripped. Yeah. Tapping is not one of my favorite things to do, especially when you break a tap. Don't need a whole lot of adjustment, but I do want a little bit. That was hot. Hey, it's still hot. Alright. Now, I'll just nip it in between. Then take the cutoff wheel and clean the top off. Dang it, I keep dropping everything. My fingers ain't working up here. Come on now. Okay. Arrgh. Huh. Gotta open that hole up a little bit. That's better. See, it went right in now. All kinds of adjustment now. All right, let's see how far out of adjustment I am. Look at that. Right there is about where I want it. So once I get the rubber in there to hold it, that'll be about perfect. I like it. So I can run that down behind there just like I did that wire on that side, but I gotta do a latch in here somehow. That'll work out nice. Okay, so here's my idea to correct this. See, that's tapered and this is straight. I cut another one. I'm going to bring that all the way back to here to tie it in and weld it there. That way this surface comes all the way over. I got to trim around this to fit around that latch. Get it nice and straight both directions, and that will give me a nice straight seal for the door rubber. Okay, and then I'll come in here and bend a piece that'll fill this in. However it's going to work. It's going to be in about right there. So it's not going to be much, but I'll build that down. Probably taper it down to this because it is pretty well straight. This tapers in. All right. This is going to be fun. Hate doing rework, but I wasn't happy with that. And then the other door, I'll go ahead. I got to take all that latch out of here and put the new one in. I'll do the same thing up there. That way, when I put my door panel on and it comes up, I got something to attach to. So that'll be over here. I can put a screw here. Yeah, that'll work. All right. I'm gonna go sit down and rest my headache for a minute, and then I'll get back to it. I better get this thing welded before I forget. Put the hole here to fit around that. The notch for this. I gotta get this piece here cut out. I wasn't real happy with that anyways. Let's see. Looks to me like this is going to be right at the edge. All right, let me get some drilling and coping. Like it. Looks nice and straight. Man, that just drops right in place. Now for here. Don't know how well I like that. This inside line is right on the money where I want it. Okay, I see these are tapered here. I need this straight and this straight. So, ouch. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of cope at a time. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go get a piece of tape and put on that. So I can draw a new line. What did I do with the marker? There it is. Okay. Now I gotta cut that off. Alright, my brain's smoking here. I come up with an idea. 3 1/4 here. Up here, I'll cut it right there. Down here, I'll cut it down to nothing. So, do that. And that. And then here, dang it, come on now. Might be easier to do it this way. That'll work. See, I want to keep that radius, keep it similar to what I got up there already. All right. I'll get this cut out. All right, got access in there. When I put my door panel on, it'll come up just like that. I gotta finish this little corner out. I like it. That's nice and straight now. I gotta weld the bottom side. Oh, well, I got a lot of welding to do, yeah. But look at that. Beautiful. Love it. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. Now see, that makes me happy. I did a little bit of twisting on the top up there too. I got a little bit more to do. The edge is rolled up right here. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if, yeah, I just don't know. I'll get it straight though. But yeah, I like that. Now the back, I haven't attached back in there yet. Once I get that pulled in and I'll just show you. Bear with me, I gotta set this down. Well, let go of the plate. See, I still gotta finish this area here. I gotta continue this down like I did on that side. And fill in, you know, clean it all up. There's a lot of welding yet to do. I still got to do that and this on both doors. I wanted to get the structure operating before I finish the details, and now it's time to finish the details. I'll get it all fabbed up. See, I got plenty of access into this switch. I got plenty of access into this switch. I gotta come in here. I gotta figure out what to do for handles. I'm thinking something like a tailgate in there where you pull it, where it pulls both directions. I gotta do the handle yet, and I gotta come in here and put, do I have one in here? I can't see, the lights are blinding me. Yeah, over there. The window guide that goes down the back side of the doors normally, I gotta put one in right here for the back side of this window, or front side, however you want to look at it. This side, I've already got the channel in there. The felt will come up. Window run channel will come up that, over, and back down. This one I want removable. I'm not sure how these windows are gonna go. I gotta cut a template the size I need and see if I can get it through that opening. I don't think I will have a whole lot of trouble doing it. I hope. But either way, I gotta get it done. I'll make a template of that. Get that window set in there where I want it. Get that channel on there. And if I can't go through that opening, I'm gonna have to put a stiffener and take this center section out. Bring the window in right here, up, put this in. If I do that, I will have full access to the inside of the door. I don't know, I gotta play it by ear, see how it works. But I'm gonna get everything like this here, all fabbed in, tacked, secure, operable, and then I'll pull the doors off. I'll lay them up on the horses or the table or something and do all the welding and grinding And yeah, that'll work out real nice. But man, I love how that door shuts. Now, that'll tighten up once I get the rubber in there. And like I showed you, I got adjustments, so perfect. That door shuts nice. Man, I love this right here. That's been setting for 2 days. I'm not charging, so I gotta trace a wire. I'm not getting power to my exciter wire, and I thought I was. Otherwise, I wouldn't have run it in and hooked it up. So I'm gonna have to. I'll probably unhook something up under the dash, moving stuff around. Yeah, I'll get that taken care of. And it is a big difference with that 4-inch drop leaning in here to work. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do for a 4-link on the rear. But yeah, she's setting way up in the back now. I want to get this thing setting about level and then put bags in it and adjust that. I don't know, I kind of thought about body dropping it. Drop it even more. But man, that's a lot of work. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. It's Saturday afternoon, and I think I'm gonna take the little lady out to dinner. See what she feels like eating today. Remember, guys, keep God first. Family's next, and everything else will fall in line. All right, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Click the bell for notifications. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and share. Share my videos across all the social medias. I'm back in the game, guys. Come on. I'm making a lot of headway on this thing past couple days. And I need your support to keep my mind active. Come on. The more active my brain is, the more work gets done. Or the more changes it gets done. Who knows? All right. Till tomorrow, have a good evening.